Now it's our turn. Cat family, yes, just about us. Go ahead and subscribe and like so you can watch more. Well, it's a family photo and it's going to be about us, the cats in the family. And yeah, this lady here is the one who's basically taking care of us. Thank you, lady. But it's mostly my mom here who had us, isn't it? Yeah, she sleeps a lot because she's so tired from having all of us. And there's May, the big one. And my brother. And I got another brother too. And also we have one sister. So we're like 4 kids. And here, this is a new sim. Okay, that a new cat, that our owner got and be friends with, so she can marry our sister. I'm sorry, marry our brother. I'm sorry. She's a girl because. Oh, okay. Come on, brothers and sisters. It's time to go eat and play in our room downstairs. There's Papa Cat over there in that pink little sitting area. And that's my 2 little brother and sister. They were small, of course. And Mom. Hi, Mom. Yeah, she's just waiting, just sitting down, and Papa's like, I have a headache from these kids. And these flies are bugging me. Oh, these flies are just... Why are we always sick, Papa Cat? Well, I don't know. Flies, get out of my ear. And look at all our big family. I'm the big one. I'm the first boy. But I'm too tired and I'm just gonna go lay down and sleep. Because this is what we do mostly. We sit down and relax us cats. At least the little baby ones. They play around and cry a lot. Where's my families? Where are the other cats? Mom went all over there. Oh, stop getting in the mess. Or they're gonna take you away, cat. It's so nice to look up top of the kitchen. Is it feeding time? When is it gonna be feeding time? We have to make sure that our food is always full. Here are the other brother and sister. Yeah, they just sleep any way they like. Oh, little sissy. You got big bro right here, don't worry. Let me take that bugs out of you and clean you up. It's my time to go to eat now, yeah. Let me eat. Oh, this food is so good. It's fun catching things, She always shows us this light that we try to catch. Are you playing with us? What is that? I can't even touch it. Oh, I have to take a break and go for a nice long walk. While these kids are scratching all the couches and making everything scratchy. And also, when our owner is sleeping, my kids just keep waking her up. They're trying to get in trouble, and they also scratch the bed. Look at it, it's all scratched. Oh, kids. Oh, I'm tired right now. I did too much scratching. Good night. Oh, what are you guys talking about? We also hear our owners talking to her friend too. What are they planning? Moving to a new house? Yeah. Food? Oh, I love human food. We love it when you guys cook. These fresh fish and chicken and meat. We cry a lot till you guys give us. That's right. Now it's time to sit on these pancakes. Since I can't eat these pancakes, you guys can't have some. Yep, I'm sitting all over them. What is this? Look at its gosh, the syrup is making Itchy. Okay, you guys can have your pancakes back. Oh, nope. Oops, I'm sorry. I had to sound them first. Here you go. Oh, now we're two. My brother was helping me. How did that happen? How did we were two sitting on them? Oh, sissy, you've grown so big. Yeah, thank you, brother. And now it's friends time. Our friends are coming over. Yeah, everybody come over, even you, big dog. Come over to our house. Look, this is our big house that we moved in. Come on. Oh, she's just sleeping. Now I'm sick. Yep, we just keep getting sick. That's on my nose. See my nose like shining on my mouth. And yeah, our owner sure takes care of us and takes us to the vet every time. And this time was when I had a big headache, like a big circle around my head. And it was kind of cool going on this machine, you know, it was like a ride. And what are you gonna do? What you gonna do? No, please. Yeah, okay. Scanning me. See, oh no, a shot. Ouch. Meow. That hurt. Well, I guess I'm all better now. Now what? What is it gonna do to me now? Oh. Let's see what's inside this. We are curious. We love to see what's inside the other rooms. You know, we're cats. But this machine, what are they doing to me? They're spraying me for all the bugs. And they got this thing on my face. What happened? And sometimes we get lost when you guys don't take care of us. So you just go outside and, you know, you might just not find us again. We might come back. So if you guys having a hard time taking care of us, you know, you can just sell us or give us up. And here we got stuck into food. We need some help. And now it's our nice photo time. You know, it's very important to take pictures of us cats, so you guys can remember us. You know, when we disappear on you or something. Just joking. Just let's take this nice photo of me and my kid. Well, it's time to go to bed. Goodbye.